Watch them grow. Seed sprouting experiment. Are you curious about how plants grow? Let's do a fun experiment to see seeds come to life right before your eyes. All you need are some seeds, paper towels, a plastic baggie, and a little bit of water. Here's how to do it. First, gather your materials and find a clean, flat surface to work on. Second, take a few seeds like beans or sunflower seeds and place them evenly spaced on a damp paper towel. Third, lay another damp paper towel on top of the seeds, making sure they are completely covered. Fourth, carefully place the paper towels with the seeds inside a plastic baggie. Seal the baggie shut, but leave a little bit of air inside. Fifth, now find a cozy spot for your seed-filled baggie to rest. It should be somewhere warm and sunny, like near a window. Sixth, over the next few days, check on your seeds regularly. Keep the paper towels damp by adding a little water if they start to dry out. Seventh, watch in amazement as the seeds begin to sprout tiny roots and shoots. You'll see them grow taller and taller each day. It's like having a front row seat to nature's magical show. With a little bit of patience and care, you'll witness the incredible journey from seed to plant right in your own home. So grab your seeds and let's get sprouting.